Today we're going to be talking about ing forms and infinitives. Depending on the context, we use a different infinitive, okay? After prepositions, we use the ing form, always. I'm not happy about working late. After adjectives, we use the to form. It's difficult to climb Mount Everest, okay? Always after adjectives, we use the to infinitive. Always after prepositions, we use the ing form. This is the difficult part. Depending on the verb itself, we either use the ing form, the infinitive, or the infinitive without to. Ing form, certain verbs, infinitive, certain verbs. Which verbs? We have to memorize. I prefer to walk. Why? Because that's the verb. Prefer takes to. I love
Walking.
Why?
Love.
Okay. I would rather
Walk.
Gerunds do not always have the same ending. Sometimes you just add ing, so there's no change to the ending. Walk, walking. Sometimes you take e off. Drive, driving. Sometimes you double a consonant. Run, running. Okay? Friend is someone who enjoys. Rule?
Enjoying.
Okay.
It's important to take good friends in your life. They choose to stay with you together in every situation.
In this period, I didn't do something better for the others because I very miss. But it's not my fault because I had to do something and I did it to myself.
It's dangerous. If you separate, no, really, if you study law, you learn a lot of things about marriage and about why you haven't to marry in your life. If you don't divorce with him, you can have at your death or he in your death your heredity. He is your.
It's strange.
No.
I don't see that as one of the questions.
We are chatterbox.
Matt, what do you think about marriage?
It's good if you need citizenship.
Hmm?
It's good if you need citizenship.
Mm.
That's it.
That's it.
Subscribe to Colburn Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.